Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for the engine computer, engine control module, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses. We'll explain, guys, if you need to replace engine computer, how we can do that as well. But always check fuses, relays first, and we'll talk why it's super important to test them. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So specifically, guys, we have a 2000 okay, and 18 dot charger that we have right here. This is the fuse box, 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure is about the same. The fuse box, guys, usually will be closed like that, right? In order to open it, you have one latch here, one there, you squish towards each other like that, you pull it on the side, it comes open. Now right here you have the fuse numbers listed, guys, and that layout here, when you hold it that way, will correspond to what we have specifically here. It's super important to test fuses because let's say you look at the fuse and you think it's good, but it's actually a bad fuse. You put it back, you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money to fix your problem when all you had to do is test the fuse. We'll put a link in the description of the video below to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays. In a couple of seconds you will be able to do it on your own, guys, and you will know how to do it for sure. So the first fuse that you need to check, I'm talking about fuse number F31, guys. This is the fourth fuse right here, okay, in that row. Fourth fuse, 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse you need to check right here. That's for the engine control module, engine computer. Then you have another fuse, guys, that's known as F34. This fuse right here. So in that box, this is the first fuse, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuse from left to right. Then you need to go to fuse number 35. Okay, that 20 amp fuse that needs to be checked as well. And another one, guys, you have fuse number 37, which is that third fuse from right to left. This fuse right here is for the engine control module. If you want to know how to replace engine computer on dot charger, we'll have the video on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.